Overwatch came out in 2016. I remember that year fondly. I think I remember the week, the month it came out. Now Super Mario Brothers. I remember that date off the top of my head. It came out in 1985. Pokemon Gen 1. Let's take a look at that. So I am going to be going by the, well, there's a conflict between American and Japanese, so I'm going to be going with the Japanese release date. The country that came first is the country that's going to get the release date. Have any of you tried using Microsoft Bing? It's pretty good. It provides rewards for your searches, unlike Google. Here we go. It was released in 1996. Now let's look at the release date for Red Dead Redemption 2. And it was released in 2018. The prequel to the original Red Dead Redemption. And here we go. Now it's time to... Good lord, Tetris. It's come out on a bunch of platforms. I know. For the Game Boy originally. There are a lot of variants of Tetris out there. There's almost no computer you can think of that doesn't have the option to play Tetris on it in one form or another. IBM PC. No, actually, Tetris came out in 1984. Let's revise that. That's the year it came out with the Game Boy.